One thing that I enjoy with Spanish shop is like Chinese shop. They really have sell everything for really cheap. So it's crazy now. Like you can see, I'm in a shop and there's so many alley and it's really cheap. You can find everything for your home, for party. Like it's crazy. So I'm checking right now to find a thing for put my phone because I want to do the paragliding, but I would like to take the phone, so I'm looking for a pocket to put my phone inside. So maybe I can find one really cheap like I found in Thailand. So this is a little view from the port, Puerto Colón. Beautiful. So here you can see El Jurado, where is all the coast. So when you go close, you can have some private swimming pool. We're going with the hotel and close to the sea. So this is La Playa de Bobo, and behind you can see La Playa de las Cuevitas y La Playa de Troya. So here I am in the La Playa del Bobo, as you can see. It's chill, with a lot of transat. The sun is different, it's darker here. The sun, yeah. So guys, sorry if I speak sometime English and Spanish at the same time, because here they are speaking more Spanish, but there is a lot, they all speak English. So here I'm in the place close of Playa de Troya. So Monkey Beach Club. Oh, look good. This is the Monkey Beach Club. And the beach. This is La Playa de Troya. As you can see, there is a lot of beach clubs. Chilling. So guys, today is really relaxation. I decided to try the fish pedicure, and it's just £10 for 1 hour, for 20 minutes, and then you have a little massage. This is so cool. Okay guys, let's try this. Estoy flipando, Yeah. Wow, this is so weird, like sensation. Okay, I'm really ticklish, so this is really difficult, but it's okay. They're like eating my feet like crazy. I don't know if you can see. So this, and after 20 minutes, a little massage. Little massage. Relaxation maximum, So guys, I just finished in Aroma Thai massage spa. It's really cool. Really, they have it's close to the sea, in front of the sea, and you have a massage, foot massage with fish for €10. So I really recommend this place because it's really cheap and really relaxing. So I have a really good time, and now I'm gonna continue my to see all the coast. This I believe is La Playa de las Americas, where the famous beach in Costa Adeje, where all the people doing surf, and it's quite cool. You can see all the coast. I think that's where I am. So guys, I'm checking a McDonald's, and it's so different burgers. Like you have a ground extreme creamy, like we don't have it. And well, this is the prices. Try this one. And then even the portion of fries are so different. Like bravaioli, bravai, fries, top cheese. Too much choice, too much choice. Let's try this one. And about the drink, more choice than at least than in London. And you can even have the option to choose another side normally. So all together, yep, you can customize as well. So guys, ready to discover the Spanish McDonald's. Also, this is the extreme. This is the camembert inside. Supposed to be two steak, really small. And this is the patatas with aioli. Let's try. So excited. Not bad. Here we are to El Guincho, guys. So, as always, beautiful and really relaxing and calm. So you can see the sun going down. Still El Guincho. Okay, this is not a romantic place, I don't know what it is, but and the background in the other side. This is La Playa de la Vista. As you can see, it's really chill. So, and it's just missing me La Playa de los Cristianos to do in the south of the coast, but I don't know if I will be able to pass those mountains, so we'll see. You can play beach volley in La Playa de la Vista. And to finish, I didn't need to pass the other side. This is the beach Los Cristianos, so muy chill as well. So you can find people doing castle of sand and selling them, and as you see, it's really chill with the restaurants on the coast. Guys, I am on Los Cristianos, and as you can see there is a market with things typical from here. So you can find jewelry, pottery. It's very cute, guys. Pueden encontrar cosas así, comida. You can see food from here, typical, and some product that they selling. So basically the Mercado de la Pepa is the big shopping center behind all those restaurants. So I'm just gonna try to figure it out. So this is the Mercado. So I'm gonna see what I can eat. So basically it's just a big shopping center inside, really class, basic clothes and everything. I hear a lot talk about this market, so I'm really curious to see. Well guys, really disappointed. The Mercado de la Pepa is closed. Apparently they are in refurbishment and will probably reopen in March. So I couldn't see the big market that everyone is talking about, but it's okay. Now I'm on my way back to the hostel. By the way, while I was walking along the coast, everyone made me a gift, I don't know. So a woman on the coast gave me this little one, and in the market, La Pepa, one man offered me this one. So more jewelry for me and souvenir for free. That's cool, sir. It's like everyone is trying to know each other, but I've been careful because we never know who you find, and just be careful, guys, because always the people want something. When they offer you things, they try to invite you for coffee or something. Oh, you're a pretty girl, so you know. But it's a good journey. I enjoy meeting new people. After all this work, I'm waiting the bus to go back to the hotel. The weather is already the sun is already down. What I like is, in comparison to Malta where I've been, the bus look quite alright on time and everything, and regular. What I can say as well, the people here are really, I really trust, because the bus, basically if you have a big bag, like for holidays or maleta, no, I don't know how to say. So if you have a big bag, you have to put it, before coming inside the bus, you charge it, and it's like an auto car. So you charge it, and then you go inside the bus without your bag. So each stop, people go out and take their bag out. This is quite, they have a lot of trust. But for someone from London and Paris, it's difficult to see it like that. But this is nice, actually. And after, what I can say about the prices, when you're a tourist, they really try to give you high prices. For example, the taxi, they're gonna charge you £12, 22 and more, when actually when I'm going with my friend from the hotel, you know the prices, so they charge him like 4.50, £4. No, I say pound, but €4 for do the same project that they will charge you 12. So really be careful about the price. Do like you know someone from here, or try to say like, oh, this taxi offer me another price. He offered me for £4, €4, to see what they say to you, because they kind of change the price even in some shops. So what I was saying, so yes, they just change the prices. When I go to a shop, for example, I buy something to put my phone under the waterproof, and this thing they charge you like, one said to me you can't find it under £15, £40, and I just bought it right now for €6. So sorry guys if I mix euro and pound. Obviously they talk in euro, but like you can see, depend the person. If you look like a tourist, they charge you less, more. If you look like a tourist, they charge you more. So, but it's good. But I see you when I'm back to the hostel.